So guys, you can see another weekend and we are going for this falls here. And this falls is somewhere, we took a divergence from the Dauki road. We have hit this patch and it's a quite serene place. We do have some guest houses also. Later on I'll shoot for that. But right, broom, this is how the broom plants look like. Lots of cultivation here on the way to the falls. So as usual with tourist spots is this. I think this is a popular spot here. People take selfie. So they have put up this board, selfie danger. So please be careful taking pictures here. So our guide is leading the way. It seems we have to climb down a bit. How many meters down? This is the way to the falls. So very nice walk, serene actually, between the, and you have this concrete pathway laid down by the villagers, I guess, here.